A very good afternoon, children. Our subject for today is EVS. All about plants, part 2. In the last part, we learned about parts of a plant and different types of plants. Children, this is what we learned last time. That is parts of a plant. Root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Here we have types of plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Now these two things we have already learned in the last part. Plants are very useful to us. We get a number of things from plants such as food, medicine, oil, wood and many other things. Let us learn about it in detail. Uses of plants. First one is cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses are also called food grains. Let us see some of them. Some of the cereals are rice, wheat, bajra, and jawar. Next is pulses. Different pulses are this is moong dal, chana dal, then we have gram, then we have urad dal. So these are some of the dals, or you can call it as pulses. Vegetables and fruits. Plants provide us with different types of vegetables and fruits. We use different parts of a plant as vegetables. The first three pictures, they are the roots of some plants like radish, carrot and turnip. We eat roots of these plants. Some of them, some of the stems are potato and suran, that is called elephant foot. So they are called stems of plants. The first three pictures are roots and these down two pictures are stems of plants. We eat some of the leaves of plants also. See the first three pictures, that is cabbage, next is lettuce and spinach. You call spinach that is palak. And we also eat fruit vegetables. You can see the next three pictures, that is bottle gourd, pumpkin and cucumber. They are called fruit vegetables. We get delicious and variety of fruits from plants. Some of them are apple, mango, banana, orange and guava. Next is flowers. Plants give us beautiful and colorful flowers having sweet fragrance. Flowers are used for what? Decorations, and they are also used to make perfumes, especially the sweet smelling flowers. They are used to make perfumes. Next are medicinal plants, plants that give us medicine. Examples are tulsi, then this is turmeric and eucalyptus. There are some more also such as aloe vera, neem. These plants are called herbal plants. Herbal plants make us to make medicines which are helping us to cure many diseases. Oil. The oil that we use for cooking. How do we get it? We get it from these plants, that is sunflower, coconut, groundnut, mustard. We get oil by crushing the seeds of these plants. These oils are used for what? Cooking and for many other purposes. When we prepare food, spices are the ones which add flavor to it. Different types of spices are this is pepper, cinnamon, clove, and cardamom. Cinnamon means dalchini, clove means long, and cardamom means elaichi. We get tea from dried leaves of tea plant. You can see the first picture, that is tea plant. Coffee. Coffee is obtained or we get it from coffee seeds. And the next one is coca seeds. Coca seeds are giving us yummy chocolate. The chocolates what you like is prepared from coca seeds. Next are the some of the fibers. You can see the first three pictures. That is cotton, flax and jute. They are used to make these items which are down. That is cotton is used to make cloth, flax is used to make rope, and jute for making different types of bags. The things that we see in a house is some are furniture that is made from wood which is obtained from plants. We use wood for making furniture like doors, windows, boats, carts, etc. In villages, wood is also used as fuel. They use chula, which is in which they use wood for burning purpose. The paper which we require for writing, it is obtained from the pulp of these two trees, that is bamboo and pine. For doing a craft, we require gum to stick when we do our craft items. From where do you get the gum? That is this tree that is called acacia tree. The gum which we get is obtained from acacia tree. Next is rubber. Erasers, what you require for erasing the unwanted things in your book. That is obtained from this tree. The bark of the tree gives the white sticky substance from which rubber is obtained. That sticky substance is collected and it's taken into factories where erasers are made. Plants make the air pure. Plants give us shade. They also make us feel very cool under a tree when it is a hot sunny day. Dead plants, plants when they die, they mix with the soil and they make it fertile. All living beings directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. Some animals depend only on plants for their food. Plants make the earth a beautiful place to live in. Remember, children, plants are very useful to us. We get food, spices, medicine, from plants. We get oil by crushing the seeds of some plants and make clothes and bags from fibers of some plants. We use the wood of some plants for making furniture. We make paper from the pulp of bamboo and pine tree, and also gum from the acacia tree, rubber from rubber tree. Plants make the air pure and give us shade. I hope you have followed the second part, that is uses of plants. Thank you.